In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract in Google Sheets 3 easy methods. We'll keep this clear and practical so you can follow along right away. These 3 approaches all do the same thing, subtract one value from another, but they shine in slightly different situations. I'll explain what to type, why it works, and a few quick tips to avoid common mistakes. First, the simplest way uses the minus sign. Click the cell where you want the result, type an equal sign, then select the first box you want to subtract from, type a dash and select the second box. It looks like equals cell minus cell. Press enter and you'll see the difference. This operator method is great for single calculations because it's fast and easy to read. If the result doesn't look right, double check that both boxes contain numbers and not text. If you see a negative number, that just means the second value is larger than the first, which is expected behavior. Next, if you need to subtract entire columns row by row in one move, use array formula. Click the top cell where you want your results to begin and type equals array formula, then open a parenthesis. Select the first column of boxes, type a minus sign, and select the second column of boxes. Close the parenthesis and press enter. This fills results down automatically, subtracting each row in the first column from the corresponding row in the second. Make sure both ranges start on the same row and are aligned. If one column is longer than the other, you may see blanks or errors once one side runs out of values. Array formula is ideal when you're working with dynamic lists that grow over time, since new rows are handled without retyping formulas. Finally, you can use the minus function. Click your result cell, type equals minus, open a parenthesis, select the first box, type a comma, select the second box, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Minus subtracts the second value from the first, giving you the same result as the operator approach, but in a function format that some people find clearer in more complex formulas. You can also mix cell references and numbers inside minus if needed, as long as you keep the order correct. To recap, use the minus operator for quick one-off calculations, array formula to subtract entire aligned ranges at once, and minus when you prefer a function-based format. With these 3 methods, you can handle anything from a single difference to a full column of results.